Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the vibrator motor on the Google Pixel 7a. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, remove the rear cover from the body. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the phone backside down and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. You can also use a heat gun or hair dryer if needed. Please note that some devices may need extra heat. Once heated, use a suction cup near the bottom edge to create a small gap. Insert a plastic pry tool and carefully slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. Take your time during this step. Be gentle and only use the tip to avoid damage. Once the back cover is loose, open it slowly. There are no cables connecting the back cover to the board. Next, gently pry the flash flex from the midboard frame. And then remove the mid frame by undoing the 14 screws. Please note that one screw is missing on this device. Next, remove the bracket by undoing the screw. Then disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the not working vibrator motor from the body. First, remove the logic board. Before that, ensure the SIM tray is out. Next, remove the earpiece speaker by undoing the screw. Next, remove the top bracket by undoing the two screws. Next, disconnect connector. Next, carefully lift the logic board. Please note that the display connector is attached to the underside of the board, so do not remove it completely. Gently move the surrounding cables aside and flip the logic board to about 90-degree angle to access the rear side. Next, remove the display connector bracket by undoing the screw. Please note that the bracket and screw are missing on our device. Finally, disconnect the display connector and remove the logic board from the body. Next, remove the faulty vibration motor from the device. Apply gentle heat to soften the adhesive. Then carefully lift and remove the motor from the body. Next, position the new vibration motor and secure it in place. Next, reinstall the logic board into the device. To make the process easier, keep the phone at a 90-degree angle and reconnect the display connector first. Reinstall the display connector bracket and secure it with the screw. Please note that the bracket and screw are missing on our device. Next, carefully insert the bottom part of the logic board into the charging port socket area and lower the board into position. While installing the board, keep the battery, power and volume flex, and flash flex cables out of the way. Verify that the logic board is seated correctly. Next, reconnect the power and volume flex connector. Next, install the earpiece speaker and secure it by adding the screw. Finally, install the top bracket and secure it by adding the two screws. Next, reconnect the battery connector and secure it by installing the bracket with the screw. And then align the mid frame. Make sure the flash flex passes through the opening and secure the frame with 14 screws. Next, attach the flash flex to the frame. Next, apply adhesive or B7000 glue around the edges. Carefully align the back cover with the body. Once aligned, apply even pressure around all edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, use bonding clips to hold the back cover in place until the adhesive fully sets. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.